ते बिचोलीचे ते ट्रॅफिक सेलाचे पैसे नाच जाले. हांवें तुमकां खबर आसा जाल्यार पयले एक चेक केले तेन्ना रॅन्डम चेक आनी सिलेक्ट केले बिचोली पुलीस स्टेशनाचे चेक. बिचोली पुलीस ट्रॅफिक सेलाचे चेक करून गेले तेन्ना एक डिस्क्रिपन्सी मेळ्ळो तांकां. कसलो डिस्क्रिपन्सी? SP ऑफिसान एक कॉपी चलनाचे धाडटात, थिंगा 82,000 रुपीज बरयले आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचे चलन 2 तेच फुडें बरयले, म्हळ्यार 2,82,000 जाले. हेजेर दुबाव येयलो कित्याक घोटाळा आसा म्हणून. एक पाटी चेक करूंक लागले तेन्ना तांकां आदमास तांकां दिसलो 13 ते 15 लाखाचे घोटाळा आसा. तेन्ना रोखडे कोण डिलिंग हँड आशिल्ली ती पुलीस आशिल्ली ती 3 चार्ज पयशे घेवपाक आनी डिपॉझिट करपाक. आनी तुमी जाणात सगळे सरकाराचे ऑफिसर कोणू असो पुलीस वा खंयचे ऑफिसर कॅश येता तेन्ना इमिजिएटली डिपॉझिट करप. सायन्सा पासून पावस जाल्यार वचपाचें बँकान डिपॉझिट करपाचें आनी सॅटर्डे संडे नाजाल्यार ब्रेक आसा जाल्यार बँक बंद जाल्यार मंडे डिपॉझिट करपाचें. आतां ही बायल हांवें तुमकां खबर आसा जाल्यार ती सांकडेची. तिणें रोखडे तिचे ट्रान्सफर गेली आनी खंय गेली ती? कोलवाले एस्कॉर्ट सेलान गेली. तिका कितें दिसलें हांव हिंगसून पळोवन गेलें जाल्यार फाटल्यान दुसऱ्याक धरतलें म्हण आनी म्हजें नांव साफ जातलें, पुसून वयतलें म्हण. जालें ना. तिका ट्राय केल्लें तेन्ना सेटल करपाक, हे हांव आरोप घाता पुलिसीचेर. There was an attempt to cover this up. There was an attempt to hush it up. The attempt was of this nature that she would repay the money and everything would be closed. आनी चौकशी केली तेन्ना एक्झॅक्ट फिगर फकत एक वर्साचो 17,30,000 मेळ्ळो. म्हणलो 17,30,000 मिसिंग, म्हणलो मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन जालें. परत ट्राय केल्ले साल्गार करपा तिका आनी आज मेसेज आयली की तिका सस्पेंड केली. हांव तुका सांगता सस्पेन्शन केलें आज दनपार, काल सस्पेंड केला म्हूण पुलिसीन, गोवा पुलिसीन एक ट्वीट केला सांगपाक एज सून एज वी केम टू नो वी सस्पेंडेड हर, वी टूक एक्शन बाय सस्पेंडिंग हर. हांव पुलिसी चॅलेंज करता. I am challenging the police to come clean on this statement. My first question is, when did you come to know? You came to know only after the newspaper broke the report? Or did you come to know before this? If you came to know before this, why was she transferred and why was she not suspended? And kita tik kadlo na. Kita suspend karna. Because she is another queen. She is another queen bee. Is she having some godfathers? Is the godfather so powerful that you can transfer her? Or that she is getting some protection? Is she so powerful that she can hold sway over politicians or some very important people and get her transfer done and protect herself? I want the government to come clean on this. This is clearly an answer which the Chief Minister has to give as the Home Minister. Because this kind of a dishonest manner in which the police is trying to claim that we took prompt action is clear dishonesty and a clear sign of a corruption once again within the system. These people are unfit to be in the police force. With uniform they are looting people. With uniform they are taking away the money which should have come to the state exchequer. And these are the people who should be sent home, not suspended.